Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The ingredients are carefully balanced here, ensuring the perfect blend of purified water, syrup, and our unique flavor concentrate.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Look at the projection here. We're exceeding the target by 10%.
Yes, the adjustment to the arm synchronization made all the difference.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. See you in Princeton. From start to finish.